Hey guys, it's Yellow Cat FB, and I'm going to unbox some stickers for you from FSS, right here, from Frankie Finger Decks. And yeah, pretty cool. Anything else? Nope, nothing else. Alright, so here's a note. Says, what up? I got some new stickers made. Thought I'd give you some. Yo, yay. Oh, these are sweet. I saw the new ones in his video. I love them. Alright, let's look at these. Oops, don't want to rip the sticker. Alright. Whoa, that's a lot. Sweet. So 2 original ones. Sweet. And 3 of the new ones. The new ones are really cool. It's just a cool little picture of him right there. With the hat and everything. It says FSS. Fingers get selected. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. I got 3 of those and 2 of those. So yeah, go subscribe to FSS. I don't know why you wouldn't be already, but yeah, just in case you're not. So yeah, thanks for watching.